concept of health, traditional medicine systems, Ayurveda system, Siddha system, Unani medicine, homeopathy medicines, yoga and naturopathy.
Welcome to Orient's Total Antioxidant. Total Antioxidant is a premium product in Orient's wellness category. We have 7 antioxidant ingredients added up here. The main target of the product is to control the oxidative stress that is happening in our body. The uniqueness of total antioxidant is gives us around 73% of daily requirement of ORAC value. That is around 3673 per day with 2 capsules of total antioxidant. Anybody can have 2 to 3 capsules per day to maintain their overall health. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is a product we have in a preventive category of Orient's wellness product. Wheatgrass is a product which has high chlorophyll content, which is also rich in essential amino acids, added up with antioxidant, enzymes, and pigment. The main target of wheatgrass is to cleanse and restoring the red blood cells, white blood cells, the platelet, and it also helps in improving the hemoglobin level in our body. By taking 2 capsules of wheatgrass in our daily routine, we can actually maintain overall health, enhance immunity, protect heart by improving blood circulation, and it also helps us to fight obesity, and it's good for our overall health. Naturovita. Naturovita is the best product we have for lung health. This is a much needed product for people living in metro city or people getting exposed to air population in their daily routine. We have made this capsule with boswellic acid and spirulina to enhance the lung function and also to have a powerful antioxidant support. By taking 2 capsules of Naturovita, your lung function will be improved, and since it has a powerful anti-inflammatory property, it acts against dust allergy induced breathing difficulty, asthmatic condition, and the breathing trouble we face in our daily routine due to various factors. And it also improves blood circulation. It supports your bones and joints and also your overall health. Asperos. Asperos is the patent product we have in the range of therapeutic value in Orient's wellness category. Asperos is the formulation we did with shatavari as the main ingredient for women's wellness. This is the best product we have for improving fertility, regularizing menses, best source of antioxidant as a uterine tonic. It improves blood circulation and it also helps in improving the sexual health of women. So by taking 2 capsules of Asperos from the age of 13, any women can protect their overall health, additionally their sexual health in their daily routine. Fruit fiber. Fruit fiber is a product we need in our daily routine to supply the fiber need for digestion and to cleanse out the colon. They have 3 ingredients here: amla, bale, and bacillus coagulans that makes a mixture of probiotic factor with soluble and insoluble fiber. This makes the unique formulation the fruit fiber. By taking 2 capsules of fruit fiber in our daily routine, we can improve metabolism, we can improve better digestion, and we can help in relieving constipation. Since we have used bacillus coagulans here, by taking this fruit fiber in our daily routine, we can actually repair and maintain the gut health completely through our lifetime. Diacare. Diacare is a perfect product we have for diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. We have 8 ingredients. Among these 8, we have Neshishringi, that is gymnema. We are taking gymnemic acid, which improves insulin secretion. We have Banaba, which gives corosolic acid, which focus on activating insulin receptors, and cinnamon, which provides procyanidin, which increases insulin sensitivity, and other ingredients which works on glucose metabolism, anti-hyperglycemic effect, and lowers blood glucose and cholesterol level. By addressing the root cause of diabetes, we are aiming in complete recovery of type 2 diabetes mellitus through 2 capsules of Diacare in our daily routine. Arthobest. Arthobest is a product we have for arthritis condition which supports the bones and joints. We have three ingredients here which are naturally occurring, that is glucosamine, chondroitin, and methylsulfonyl methane. Glucosamine will improve the proper functioning of cartilage, wherein chondroitin sulfate will have a control over the pain and inflammation we see in bones and joints due to various factors in our daily routine. This is a natural product we developed for people who have joint pains, including shoulder pain, neck pain, knee pain, even its arthritis condition. It might be osteoarthritis, gouty arthritis, or rheumatoid arthritis. They can make use of this. They can have 2 capsules of Arthobest in their daily routine to combat the pain, stiffness, and swelling they get over the joints. Orient Strong Live. Orient Strong Live is a product we have for liver health. It's a product we added up with 5 herbal formulations that supports liver function and to improve overall health. The uniqueness about Orient Strong Live is it repairs, it rejuvenates, and it regenerates the liver. By taking 2 tablets per day, anybody can protect your liver from all the toxins you get from the processed food and the excess of sugar and salt we eat in our daily routine. Moringa. Moringa is a product we recommend for everybody as a multivitamin. The uniqueness about Orient Moringa is we use leaf extract with seed extract that makes this a prominent product. This is not only for multivitamin purpose but also to improve your brain function. As a combination of leaf extract and seed extract, it helps in improving the blood circulation, build your immunity system, increases mental clarity, alertness, and focus, and it gives you energy and improved endurance. Naturally, it has 47 antioxidants and 36 anti-inflammatory compounds in it. By taking 2 capsules of Moringa, you can actually get the basic vitamins, minerals, and the support you need to face your daily routine. Spirulina. Spirulina, we all know about this veg protein, which is used as a meal replacement and which is also claimed as a superfood. But what is the difference in Orient spirulina? So we standardize the spirulina by providing 60% of protein, which benefits us in anti-allergy, improves immunity, which improve the gut health. It prevents blood pressure and it improves overall health by helping the liver. We can also make use of the spirulina in our daily routine by taking 2 capsules per day. People who have habit of skipping their meal, they can prefer spirulina to get all the antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, skipping the deficiency. Naprofit. Naprofit is a product we have for improving our kidneys' health. We have 3 ingredients here that works in a different angle to improve and to repair the kidney function. The 2 capsules of Naprofit can help you strengthen the urinary tract. It maintains the urea and creatinine level. It prevents kidney stone. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory by helping flushing out the excessive water content in our body, and it also improves overall kidney function by supporting the nephron in our kidneys. There's a video about Detoxi-1. Detoxi-1 is the product we have for detoxification process. The uniqueness about Detoxi-1 is it clears up all the accumulated toxins we eat, we breathe, and we produce in our own body through metabolism. There's a 30 capsule per pack, and everybody can have 1 bottle every 6 months once to cleanse their body. It helps to improve overall health by supporting the detoxification process in our body. D-Lipo is the prominent product we have in Orient's wellness category for heart health. Based on the high concern that we see globally for cardiac issue is stress, secondly the cholesterol problem. So based on these 2 reasons, we have developed this product D-Lipo. The uniqueness about D-Lipo is it helps in improving the HDL level. For that, we are using mangosteen extract, rosemary extract, and grapeseed extract. It helps in reducing the LDL, VLDL, TGL, which is hampering the blood circulation, heart functioning, and liver health. We are using Lactobacillus acidophilus and polycosanol taken from sugarcane to have a proper efficacy and to have a proper functioning of cardiac health. It will also help you in improving overall health, and it will also prevent yourself from stress induced cardiac issue and cholesterol induced cardiac issue. So by taking 2 capsules of D-Lipo, anybody having a chance of developing cardiac disease or people who have history of cardiac disease can prevent further problem of cardiac issue. Shilajit. Shilajit is a well-known herbomineral drug that we use in Ayurveda. In Oriens, we are using this in 2 categories, that is preventive and therapeutic category. Orien Shilajit is focusing on male fertility, improving focus and concentration, and it helps in assisting hormone secretion, and it can also be referred for stress and depression factors. So by taking 2 capsules of Shilajit in our daily routine, we can actually improve overall wellness, that is our mental wellness, in our daily routine. Reprogard. Reprogard is a special product we formulated for male. This is a health supplement specifically for prostate health, and it's essential for 40 plus males. And this is formulated based on the Globocan 2020 study. And among all the cancer condition, prostate cancer was the first globally. So based on that results, we have developed Reprogard to prevent prostate gland issue. So it is supposed to be taken when we reach 40 plus, so that it helps in maintaining the normal functioning of prostate gland. By taking 2 capsules of Reprogard in the daily routine, male can actually protect and prevent their prostate gland from any kind of issues they might get in their later age. Healthy Slim. Healthy Slim is a product we have for obesity. Obesity is becoming a booming problem among all the population globally, and we have a natural solution for that weight management. We are using Garcinia cambogia along with piperine extract, which helps in fat burning and induces fat loss, controls sugar craving and binge eating by balancing neurotransmitter secretion, and controls stress that we face in our daily routine. By taking a pack of Healthy Slim in your daily routine, you can manage weight for a long term, and you can manage your overall fat metabolism in your daily routine. Reishi Ganoderma. Reishi Ganoderma is known as Queen of Immortality. It's simply known as the red mushroom, which has lysine and leucine as the rich essential amino acid, which gives the property of oxygen carrying capacity. The added value of reishi is polysaccharides, glycoprotein, and triterpene. The benefits of taking 2 capsules of reishi Ganoderma is it promotes cardiac health, it prevents stomach flu, it helps in better memory, it improves our vital energy, and it also acts as an anti-aging property. Panax ginseng. Panax ginseng is a prominent herb that has been used in Chinese medicine for more than a century. It's the best natural adaptogen and also a nervine tonic. It helps in negotiating the stress and guarding us from early aging. The uniqueness about Panax is it helps in controlling all the nervous system, and it helps in replenishing the nervous system from stress. So by taking 2 capsules of Panax ginseng in our daily routine, we can actually improve our overall body health by helping the brain's function. Premium garlic. Premium garlic is a product we have in a therapeutic category of Orien's wellness product. Premium garlic is standardized by using thiosulfonates, that is allicin extract, added up with minerals and vitamins. What makes us unique is allicin extract that helps as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory property, antimicrobial property, and also as an immune booster. Anybody can have 2 capsules a day to protect, to repair, and to recover our body from all the microbial infections around us. T3 turmeric tea tablet. This is a formulation we did on the time of Corona. This formulation is targeted to perform as an antiviral immunity booster tea. We have 5 ingredients: ginger, curcumin, licorice, cinnamon, and piperine in a tablet form. This is supposed to be taken in empty stomach, that is early in the morning soon after brushing our teeth. We have to make this as a tea with a warm water without adding milk or any other ingredient. Just boil this in a water of 200 ml, filter it, and it's ready to take. The main target of T3, that is turmeric tea tablet, is to act as an antiviral property against any kind of virus around us, specifically the coronavirus and the virus that is related to corona that can effectively cause lung damage and immune system damage. Everbright. Everbright is the best combination we developed to protect and improve our vision. We are using omega-3 fatty acid, bilberry extract, lutein zeaxanthin, and vitamin C with vitamin E. This is the product we formulated for improving the healthy cells in our eyes by promoting healthy capillaries and healthy cartilage growth. The bilberry extract added here with lutein and zeaxanthin is the uniqueness about our Everbright. This is the main product we developed to filter the harmful blue light we get from the mobile phone and laptops we use in our daily routine. Additionally, the bilberry extract which is used here will improve eyesight, including night vision, and it helps in preventing all other eyesight issue by providing the much needed anthocyanin in our daily routine. Starting from the age of 8 till 50 or 55, anybody can have 2 capsules of Everbright in their daily routine to protect their eyes from blue light, the retinal damage from the mobile and the laptop we use in our daily routine. Welcome to Orients. Licofit is the product we developed based on colon health. As we all know, all disease begin in the gut, and this is the product we formulated to take care of the colon health. This is especially for people who have untimely eating habit. This is formulated with turmeric, that is curcumin, piperine, and virgin coconut oil. As a mixture, this particular product will help you in healing and recovering your colon from all the damage we do through eating untimely food, eating more quantity of food with added preservatives, and it helps us to prevent extreme health issues in our daily routine by taking all processed food. So by taking 2 tablets of Licofit, we can actually help our colon to prevent all serious infection and other lifestyle issues we face in our daily routine. Thank you. Reuthroot. Reuthroot is a product we developed especially for male, and this is related to the sexual health. The key ingredients are velvet bean, muesli extract with L-arginine amino acids. So this is a product we developed for improving the sexual health, improving the sexual stamina and energy and sexual vigor for male. 2 capsules of Reuthroot can help them to improve and protect their sexual health. This can be taken as a supplement in their daily routine to have a healthy sexual life. Health Intestine is a product we have in wellness category for constipation issue. We are using 7 herbal ingredients here which acts over constipation caused because of various factors. Anybody from the age of 20 till 55 with diabetes, hypertension, or other lifestyle disorder who is facing constipation can make use of a healthy intestine tablet in their daily routine after having their dinner to get a regular bowel movement in their daily routine. Welcome to Orients. Z Plus. Z Plus is ginger chewable tablet. We have used ginger juice, sugarcane juice, and lemon juice for this formula. Z Plus is a chewable tablet we have for immunity, cough, sore throat, cold, tonsils, and nausea and other digestion related issues. Since this is a chewable tablet, this can be taken at any time of the day. Thank you. C3 Curcumin Carotene Chewable Tablet is formulated to improve immunity and to act as a protection for skin and vision. So we have curcumin taken from turmeric, carotene taken from mango, and we have enriched this formulation with vitamin C and piperine. This is a chewable tablet form, and by taking 2 chewable tablets per day, you can actually boost immunity and enhance vision health. Qtrazet. Qtrazet is a product of vitamin C and zinc. It comes in a chewable tablet form. By taking 2 chewable tablets per day, Qtrazet provides us with the entire RDA of vitamin C and zinc. Humans need vitamin C to improve tissue growth and cellular development, and adequate zinc level will protect us from any viral infection around us. Zinc is crucial for our immune system, wound healing, vision, and thyroid function. So, as a combination of vitamin C and zinc, it's an essential product for every human being in our daily routine. By taking 2 chewable tablets at any time of the day, we can improve our overall health in our daily routine. Nimba, we are making use of neem leaves here in a tablet form, which is good for skin allergy and skin infection condition. As a basic antibacterial property and antiviral property, neem helps us to prevent frequent skin infection and acts as a blood cleanser by improving the immune system. It is recommended to take 2 tablets per day before food to get the good effect of neem or nimba in our daily routine. Triphala. Triphala is commonly called as the equal portion of amla, haritaki and bibitaki made into one formulation, and this is good for immunity, for general health, and it also helps in gentle cleansing, and this is good for hair fall and hair loss. By taking 2 tablets a day before food, we can have the good effect of Triphala in our daily routine. Orion's Mesheshringi is good for controlling the blood glucose level and high cholesterol level considerably within 90 days. It is suitable for people with diabetes and other anomalies along with the diabetes problem. By taking 2 tablets per day before food, we can get the good effect of Mesheshringi in our daily routine. Twak is nothing but the bark of cinnamon. We are using the efficient Ceylon twak here for making this tablet as a medicinal one. This is suitable for improving lipid metabolism, which is good for heart, and it also supports stomach bloating, gas formation, loss of appetite, and sleeping issue. By taking 2 tablets of twak per day before food, we can get the good effect of cinnamon. Shatavari. Shatavari as a tablet form, we are using the root part of asparagus. This is suitable for male and female. For females, we use this Shatavari tablet in regularizing the menstrual cycle, hormonal imbalance, and to strengthen the uterine cavity. For male, the same Shatavari tablet can enhance the strength and stamina of sexual life. By taking 2 tablets per day before food, we can get the good effect of Shatavari tablet. Brahmi. Brahmi is the Ayurvedic medicine we have in wellness category. Brahmi tablet is suitable for kids from age 3, and this is formulated to improve concentration, memory, and mental stability. It also helps in improving the learning skills for growing children. It is recommended to take 2 tablets per day before food. Guduchi. We are using the stem part of Guduchi here in a tablet form. Guduchi as a product, it is good for liver health, it supports metabolism, it improves immunity, and it also supports to purify our blood and wound healing. By taking 2 tablets a day before food, we can get improved with our overall well-being. Welcome to Orients. Google. Google is nothing but the resin part of Commiphora vitae. As a tablet form, Google is recommended to reduce pain and stiffness we feel around our joint. This is suitable for elderly people and older people in case of body pain and joint pain. This can also be helpful in maintaining your body weight by helping you with reducing the fat accumulation. By taking 2 tablets per day before food, we can get the good effect of Google tablet. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha Ayurvedic medicine category, and we are using the root of ashwagandha. It is called as Amukara in Tamil. We can recommend this for kids and elderly people in helping with quality of sleep and overall wellness. It is supposed to be taken before food, 2 tablets per day. Hibiscum effervescent tablet. Hibiscum effervescent tablet is a formulation with a key ingredient of grapeseed extract, cinnamon, and hibiscus flower. As the name denotes, this can be taken to reduce the stress and to improve the circulatory function, lipid metabolism, and it's also helpful in menstrual cramps for female. This can be taken with 120 ml of normal water at any time of our day to help with the normal functioning of circulation and to relax ourselves from the mental stress we go through in our daily routine. Apple cider vinegar effervescent tablet. ACV is a formulation we have for weight management like healthy slim, wheatgrass, and fruit fiber. And this ACV is supposed to be taken along with those products as a combination. ACV as a single product is formulated with pomegranate extract, acetic acid 6%, added up with vitamin B1 and B6 to improve carbohydrate metabolism and protein metabolism, which also helps in lipid metabolism and digestion. So, as a product, we are supposed to take 1 tablet in 120 ml of normal water, usually before food, for helping in maintaining healthy body mass. Multivitamin with multimineral effervescent tablets. This is a formulation which gives you 95% of RD of all the vitamins and minerals we need for great basal metabolism and to improve overall immunity for our well-being. This can be taken with 120 ml of normal water any time of your day. Better taken after food since it deals with all the vitamins and minerals which are fat soluble and water soluble. This can improve your overall health if you add this in your daily routine. Natural Sesbania Biotin effervescent tablet, shortly called as NSB. This is a product we developed for biotin is the beauty vitamin which help us to improve good looking by improving the skin elasticity and hair follicles. By taking 1 tablet of natural Sesbania Biotin effervescent tablet, we get 50% of folic acid and selenium we need in our daily routine. And this is giving about 75% of biotin we need for our hair growth and scalp health and to improve overall health of our body. So we are supposed to take 1 tablet with 120 ml of normal water any time of the day, better taken after food for better result. Morinda Premium Juice. Morinda Premium Juice is a formulation we have noni as the key ingredient along with spirulina, amla vetus and stevia, which is a non-calorie sweetener. We recommend this Morinda Premium Juice basically for anything related to your digestion, to improve your digestion power and to protect your digestion from any kind of problems and to prevent any kind of problems related to digestion like acidity, GERD issue, constipation or food poisoning. We can have this Morinda Premium Juice in our daily routine twice daily with 20 ml directly or diluted with warm water. Aloe vera gold juice. Aloe vera gold juice is a formulation added up with aloe vera, musta, punarnava with lychee flavor. The formulation is made in target with boosting brain activity, daily stamina and memory power. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer agent, and 20 ml of aloe vera gold juice can be taken twice daily to improve overall health with brain activity and stamina. Diet juice. Diet juice is a formulation we developed for diabetic people. We already have Diet Care, which is specifically for diabetes. We have this diet juice for the same reason but with a different ingredients. We are adding completely 10 different ingredients here to control the blood glucose level and to prevent diabetes complications like nephropathy, neuropathy, and retinopathy. By drinking 20 ml of diet juice twice daily, any diabetic people can actually control blood glucose level and improve their overall health. Aloe vera premium juice. Aloe vera premium juice is a product which is excellent detoxifier and a rich source of natural micronutrients like anthraquinones, chromones, polysaccharides, glucomanins, and enzymes. The key ingredient here is aloe vera leaf juice, and we are promoting this for by taking 20 ml juice twice daily. We can actually prevent problems related to skin and hair and kidney health. Super Kids Juice. Super Kids Juice is a only formulation in Orient's wellness category for kids from 4-year-old to 12-year-old. This is having 16 ingredients which is supporting the nutritional factor, growth and developmental factor, memory factor, and the immunity factor, which is the essential for children in 4 to 12-year-old. By taking 20 ml of Super Kids Juice at any time of the day, the overall health of the kid can be improved. 7 Wonders Juice. 7 Wonders Juice is a combination of herbals which are having high rate of antioxidants in it. By getting good amount of antioxidant in our daily routine, we can actually prevent lifestyle disease like diabetes, hypertension, fertility issue, obesity, and many other. This is the target of this particular 7 Wonders juice. There's a mixture of grapes extract, green tea extract, noni, moringa, cinnamon, licorice extract, and mulberry extract. By taking 20 ml of 7 Wonders juice twice daily, we can actually have instant energy, stamina, and we can have the antioxidants we need in our daily routine to improve our overall well-being.
Welcome to the marketing presentation of Orient's Global Marketing Private Limited, an organization that started its operation way back in 2010, where vision becomes movement and movement becomes legacy. Today, you are not just listening a marketing plan, you are stepping into a philosophy of scalable impact, ethical leadership, and empowered duplication. At Orient's, we believe marketing is not about selling. It's about connecting, educating, and transforming lives. Myself, Rajiv Barua, Marketing Manager based at Orient's. Now let's look to the beautiful marketing plan, which is unique and much more profitable. It's a hybrid uni-level wide open known as the 9 ways of income. Under these 9 ways, we have retail bonus, direct bonus, revenue bonus, partnership bonus, repurchase bonus, leadership bonus, rewards, honorary bonus, and global turnover fund. Let's try to understand the advantages of this plan. It is 1:1 wide open unlimited income. Number 2, 10% of direct bonus for introducer for each income earning group. 3, 10 to 13% indirect revenue bonus. 4, partnership bonus from revenue. 5, honorary bonus from global turnover. 6, live settlement rewards. 7, it's leadership bonus. 8, global turnover fund. Now, to become a distributor of Orient's, you need to be minimum 18 years of age. That's the norms set by the government of India. And here the registration is totally free. Now, why you need to be an IBA or a distributor? Because there are benefits associated with it. So let's look into the benefits being enjoyed by the distributors. Number 1, it's 20 to 30% discount. Number 2, 30 days money back policy. 3, lifetime membership. 4, accumulative PV. And last, IBA number or distributor number. You become a global IBA because Orient's is not only building its business in India but also abroad. Now let's try to understand each bonuses, starting with the retail bonus. The retail bonus is the difference of the price that you get, that is the MRP and the DP. So there is a maximum retail price and the distributor price difference will be your retail bonus, which ranges between 20 to 30% as a retail profit. Moving on to the next is the direct bonus. Now direct bonus is given to the sponsor or the introducer. So as a sponsor or as an introducer, you can introduce people into this business with 50 PV, that is diamond, with 100 PV, that is 1 diamond, with 300 PV, that is 2 diamond, and with 1000 PV, that is 3 diamond. But to avail this direct bonus, the minimum requirement is 50 PV. So let's get back. So under direct bonus, there is an exclusive offer being offered by Orience to all the people who are joining this business with diamond and above. So the moment they join, they get a gift voucher worth of rupees 6,000, and in total you will get 6 voucher, each worth 1,000. Now from the day of joining, you can redeem 1 voucher in a month, and to redeem that you need to pay a cash of rupees 1,000. In return, you will get product worth of rupees 2,000 plus 5.55 PV. Next is the revenue bonus. Now revenue bonus is a weekly bonus that closes every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Now in the revenue bonus, which ranges between 10 to 13%. So the requirement to avail this bonus is 50 PV in the live team and 50 PV in the revenue team. That will formulate one group, and at the rate of 10%, you will receive 450 rupees. So you have already qualified yourself in direct bonus 450. At the same time, you have also qualified yourself in the revenue bonus 450. So with a maximum capping of 30,000 PV per week, your income from revenue team 1 will amount to 2,70,000 per week. And in Orience, we have more than 180 people who are earning this income on consistent basis. The next is the partnership bonus. Now, when you sponsored your friend, your relatives, or your neighbors, or the people you know into this business, and you help them to escalate their rank, to change their rank, and from diamond you help them to move up to 5 diamond, and at the same time you are also in 5 diamond, then what will happen is that from all the people you have sponsored and helped them to achieve 5 diamond, from each one of them you will be receiving 5% as a partnership bonus from their revenue income. So this is all about the partnership bonus. It's wonderful that just by helping you can make a lot of money. Moving on to the next is a repurchase bonus. So all the repurchase that you do, you can earn up to 50% PV from the distributor price. So whether you are diamond or above, whenever you make any purchase, that will be credited as self PV, and you can earn up to 20% of the repurchase PV. Not only that, you will also be entitled to receive 20% out of your revenue team's repurchase. So it's a monthly bonus. So the matching between the live team repurchase and the revenue team repurchase, you will be getting 20% as a repurchase bonus. And the good part is there is no ceiling in repurchase, which means it's an unlimited income. And the best part is when you work for repurchase bonus, your next bonus you are automatically entitled to. The next is the leadership bonus. So this is also a monthly bonus. Now this bonus is based upon the sales from the live team and the sales from the revenue team. So it starts with the first level, you can say that leadership bonus. So here what happened, 1400 PV in the live team and 1100 PV in the revenue team. When you match this, you get 10% leadership bonus, which amount to 9,900. And when you achieve this for the first time, you get one-time reward of rupees 20,000 as a Goa Tour Fund trainer bonus. Here the live team 7,000 PV, the revenue team 6,000 PV matching, you get 4%, that amount to 21,600. And when you achieve this for the first time, you get 60,000 as a Thailand Tour Fund trainer bonus, where the matching is 24,000 PV in the live team and 20,000 PV in the revenue team. You get 3%, that amount to 54,000. And when you achieve it for the first time, you get 1,25,000 as a Europe Tour Fund. And next you move on to the mentor bonus, where the matching in the live team is 48,000 PV, that with the revenue team is 40,000 PV. You get 2%, that amount to 72,000 rupees. And when you achieve this for the first time, you get one-time reward of 2,50,000 as Gold Fund. Legend Leader bonus, where the sales from the live team is 1,20,000 PV and sales from the revenue team is 1 lakh PV. When you achieve this split, you will get 1% as a leadership bonus, which amount to 90,000 rupees. But when you achieve this for the first time, you get 5 lakh as a one-time reward as a diamond fund. So this is the beauty of Orience marketing plan, where the more leadership you show, the more money you earn. Now let's move on and see the rewards. The rewards in Orience starts from the rank 4 diamond. So the moment you become 4 Diamond, you get an executive bag, and at the same time you also get 1 night free stay for leadership training. Now let's look into the support system. From the day you will sign as an IBA with Orience, your support to build your business will start. So the first support you will get it from Orience. It's best known for manufacturing one of the world's best nutraceutical products. And we are very proud that we do that because we have our own manufacturing unit. So the products are world-class, result-oriented, scientifically proven, and human-friendly. So this support you will get from the company 24/7. The next support will be from the education system under the name of Oxygen. So Oxygen will help to educate you, to enrich you, and to empower you, so that any question you face in the market as an IBA or any challenges you encounter, you now have the answer and the solution to overcome this and move ahead in life. And last but not the least, support is from your sponsor. Your sponsor is the only person who is much interested to see you grow, to guide you to the right path, and to be your success companion, because your growth is totally linked with your sponsor growth. So they will always try to make you scale high. So under this Oxygen system, that is the education system that we also have a website, www.oxygentraining.in. So under Oxygen, we have OBM, that is Orience Business Meeting, SLP, Success Learning Program, Lifestyle Development Program, LDP, Residential Camp, Product Training, and then we have Leadership Program on consistent basis, and national and international conferences. So in a nutshell, Oxygen is a vehicle that will help you to go up to the level where you want to be, that is from Diamond to Universal Crown. As we come to the end of this presentation, I would like to make a bold statement. Whether you are here to learn, lead, or establish yourself, you are part of a movement that values significance over success and legacy over momentary win. So let's build something that lasts and together. Thank you.